Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Tech Heaven. I am Hashad, and here we provide practical tips to master technology skills through easy tutorial on software and apps, helping you succeed at work and school. Today we are exploring LibreOffice, a free open source alternative to Microsoft Office. Let's dive in. First, go to libre.org, click download and choose your operation system. Save the installation file and let's move on. Search LibreOffice. Download Office. Windows 64 download. File downloading. Open file. Next step, run the installer, click next, accept the license and proceed with the default installation. Run. Next, typical or custom. Next, create shortcut desktop. Install. Complete. Finish. Installation complete. Let's open Office and explore. The Office includes Writer, Calc, Impress, and more. It's packed with features. LibreOffice, open file, remote, document, sheet, presentation, drawing, formula, database. Select template, Candy, open. Close. Template. Open. Close. Template. Presentation. Drawing. Open. Close. Check out the templates, extension, and calibration tools. The interface is user-friendly and customizable. Extension. You can add this extension to the Office. Business. Open. Writer. Okay. Test. File. Save as. Desktop. Choose type. Word 2010. Save. Use Word 2010. Close. Open the property. DOCX. Same as Microsoft Office. Open. Sheet. Test 2. 10. 8. Function. Sum.
enter, correct. File, save as. You can put password, type Excel 2007, desktop, save. Property, XLSX like Microsoft Office. Okay.
That's our quick look at LibreOffice. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it to empower your friends in mastering their tech skills. Subscribe for more tutorial, hit the bell icon for updates, and drop down comment with your thoughts. Check out more of our content here and see you in the next one.